hello little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter 11, National Festival. National festivals are the festivals that is celebrated in the whole country, and we have three national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Now let's study them broadly. What you have to color the national flag, and you may use the color and select them to do that. National festivals are celebrated to mark the important events of the nation. India has three important national festivals. Independence Day, which is held on 15th of August every year. India was once under the rule of the British. On this day, we got our independence and thousands of people lost their lives for doing so. Right? On this day, remember all those who laid their life for us. The flag of India is hosted on the Red Fort by the Prime Minister of India. Later, he addressed the nation. Then we have Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th of January every year. On this year, 1950, that Indian become Republic, Grand Parade is held in New Delhi. The President of India takes a salute, and the parade is a lovely sight and tells us about the prosperity of the nation. Then we have Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti, one of the day our father of nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi, was born on this day. Right? Mahatma Gandhi fought for the freedom of India. People lovingly called him Bapu on this day. Favorite bhajans of Bapus are sung all over the country. Right? Mahatma Gandhi is respected everywhere. You all know. Now, a chapter has been completed. You may do this question for checking your understanding. We will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. Now we are going to start with the exercise of the chapter. First is tick the correct option. So, India has dash important national festival. कितने हैं? 3 है. कौन-कौन से? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So, we have 3 national festivals. On Republic Day, Grand Parade is held in. कहाँ पे होती है parade? New Delhi में. गांधी जी fought for the dash of the India. गांधी जी किसके लिए लड़ाई करी थी गांधी जी ने? Freedom of the India. We celebrate our dash. We celebrate our Independence Day on. कब celebrate करते हैं हम अपना Independence Day? 15th of August. Now fill in the blanks. India has dash important national festival. कितने हैं? 3 हैं. Next is we celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. Dash Jayanti celebrated on 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti. People lovingly called Gandhi ji as. गांधी जी को क्या कहते हैं? बापू कहते हैं. Right T for true and F for false statement. The Republic Day is a religious festival. False. National festival. Independence Day is a national festival. It's true. Independence Day national festival है. Bhajans of Bapu are sung throughout India on Gandhi Jayanti. It's true. India celebrate 5 national festival. False. 3 है. Now answer the following question. First question is, what are national festival? National festival are the festival that are celebrated by the people all over the India, all over the country. How many national festival do we celebrate? We celebrate 3 national festival. कितने हैं? 3 हैं. Write a few lines. आपको Independence Day is celebrated on. आपको Independence Day के बारे में लिखना है. Republic Day के गांधी जयंती. Now we have Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. Right? A grand parade is held. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on. You can write like this. It is celebrated on 15th of August. Right? Like this you can write. Gandhi Jayanti, it is celebrated on 2nd of October and it's the birthday of Gandhi ji. Republic Day, it is celebrated on 26th of January. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Now we have done with the exercise. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.